Hi, my name is Alexis Vigil. I want to start by saying sorry if you can hear my computer fan. My laptop's kind of working overtime right now. But this is my final project for FIN 591 real estate investment. This is my, again, final project, my ROI analysis and pitch deck for an investment proposal for a 28-unit apartment complex in Denver, Colorado. The address is 1115 Logan Street, Denver, Colorado 80203. I believe it's near Lincoln and Colfax off of those two streets. And I also have those pulled up on LoopNet right here. Cap rate was 5%. That's about what I calculated as well. But here are some photos of the place. Just really quickly. 11,820 square feet. Wanted to talk a little bit about myself first. Again, my name is Alexis. My undergraduate degree was in mass communications, and now I'm getting my MBA. The reason I took this class was because it actually was an elective, but I do have some interest in real estate because my dad actually has a couple properties that he flips and then puts back on the market for return on investment. So that's kind of what piqued my interest. I would be interested in possibly getting my real estate license if the whole MBA route doesn't work out. My valuation metrics, the asking price for this, as you can see, 6,495,000 price per unit, 231,964. Have that here on my side as well. And the gross rent multiplier I calculated to be 14.5. We can go over here and look at my valuation where I calculated everything in here. 14.5. And the cap rate was 5.5%, which is pretty good. We want to see it between 5 and 10%, I believe. The next thing is that I calculated an ROI of 9.66. This is the annualized ROI over 4 years. And here's my ROI analysis and then the payment schedule over there on the right. We're going to talk about my actual proposal now. What am I asking for? So I was pre-approved for a loan of 4.4 million, and I have a down payment of 20% to meet my asking price of 5.5 million. We can go back over here. I did my comparables, compared about 7 different properties here, and I got a valuation for this property, which would be about 5.7 million. I wanted to bring that down even a little bit more, so I'm asking 5.5 million. Instead of using my own money for the 20% down payment, I want to bring in an investor to contribute that 20%. So that would be 1.1 million. And then this would be in exchange for 20% of the profits in the return. To limit the risk of investment, I would have the building thoroughly inspected and fire safety inspection done as often as needed to make sure that everything is up to code, just to, again, limit the risk of investment so I don't lose the property or the investment. And then something that I did kind of play with in the numbers is that since this is my first big commercial real estate investment, this will also be my full-time job. I will be the property manager, so I took management out of the expenses in the ROI analysis. This would increase cash flow and decrease the expenses. Again, the property value that I estimated using the comparables would be 5.5 million. So I'm going to take out that loan for 4.4 million, and I need that down payment from the investor for 20%. We have our equity here, gross annual income of the building, and then we gotta subtract expenses and loan or the interest payments. Here's the cash flow. And then total investment return on equity percentage over 4 years. Here is our monthly cash flow, cumulative profit, total ROI percentage over the 4 years, and annualized ROI, again, 9.66%. So that's it. That's my proposal to bring in an investor for this 28-unit apartment complex in Denver, Colorado. The last slide is just the links to LoopNet, to my ROI analysis pro forma, and to this slide deck.